So we're on the way to Milford Sound, and we've just had a quick stop off at this place. Very pretty. The whole drive's been there's all these waterfalls everywhere and mountains and then forest. It's been so cool, but we need to keep moving because it's a 2.5 hour drive. We only thought it was an hour and a half. We got an email yesterday that said it's actually 2.5 hours, so we just need to get a move on, hopefully get there in time. Well, we've hit some traffic lights. We're gonna go through a tunnel. So I imagine it must be a pretty long tunnel for it to be a 7-minute wait. But thankfully, look at that. It's a nice little view to look out over.
I reckon it could have been a lot longer than that. Maybe that's why they said to give 2.5 hours.
Yeah, maybe.
7 minutes is not that long, really.
Yeah, maybe it could have been 30 minutes.
Like half an hour, yeah.
Yeah. So we are here in Milford Sound. After the hour's drive, we've got here, we've parked, paid our $10. Lots of flies. First impression, yes, lots of flies. And we've seen parrots, and we've seen
some birds running after each other.
I'll put a clip up of the birds that were chasing each other, they're quite funny. So a few fun facts about Milford Sound before we get going. First one being it's 15 kilometres long, and either side of it it's got mountains that rise about 1,200 metres, and it's got 2 permanent waterfalls, the largest being Lady Bowen, which is 161 metres and supplies power to the village. So that's pretty cool. They're your fun facts of the day. About to board said boat, and it's massive. I'll give you a quick boat tour as well. It is like a cruise ship once we get on it. It's boat tour time, baby. Let's go and do this shit. So we're on the upper deck currently. Obviously for the views, it's not raining at the moment, which is great. So I'm gonna go and show you downstairs, first floor and the ground floor. But first, we head downstairs. We've got all sorts of food down here, but we're not partaking. It's like a buffet style. But yeah, that's the boat tour. Pretty good. Complimentary coffee and tea if you wanted it, but we went for the coffee. Black coffee and milky coffee. And it's good coffee as well.
I've never looked more like a boy in my life. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers on.
Okay, do the layer check. Tell the people. First layer.
Jumper. T-shirt.
Lay it up. You never know what you're going to expect. Be prepared for everything.
I look awful. I don't.
She looks lovely.
And
2 layers. Boom. I might have slipped up. I might have ruined my legacy on making these sandwiches. Cajun chicken, ketchup and cheese on stale bread. What do you think? But yeah, anyway, as I was saying, I think I've ruined the legacy because these just aren't up to the usual standard. There we go. They've been squashed in the bag, the bread's stale. There's the waterfall I'm speaking about. Lady What's It Not. The storm has started. We are swaying. The bag is swinging.
I can't, is it?
But the weather is not going to stop us from exploring Milford Sound. My name's Bear Jills, and in situations like this, you need to make sure you stay low. Get down behind shelter. What the hell? Stay hidden and wear waterproofs. Okay, Ellen, do the steps. Get low. Yes. Hold on. Ba-da-dun. Bear Jills.
Take one boy out to LSD falling onto the tree rock having beach. The rod valve falls from a height of 70 meters.
Tea and coffee station. Also, you can see there's someone asleep, so not for them. Much needed for the warmth. It is so cold.
That coffee's really good.
It's good coffee. Wow, so we just got to the end and we're turning back now. Just hit a bit of a swell, so we're going a bit side to side. So we were saying that the biggest ford is 56 kilometres long. This one's only 15 kilometres, so quite a small one in comparative to the biggest. So those two slug-looking things were fur seals, adolescent ones to be precise.
They do just look like slugs.
Not only have we seen mountains, waterfalls, trees,
slugs.
we've seen large seal slugs.
They weren't moving, they were.
No, I hope they weren't dead, but anyway, let's get back inside because it's freezing. The rain has descended. Oh, what have you got there, Ellen? Whoa! Don't worry guys, that is just her bag. Keeping it dry. There it is. Boom. Oh. This reminds me of all you Avatar fans out there. Do you know the scene where they go through the flying mountains? You know the one I'm on about? We all do. That's what this reminds me of. That has absolutely soaked us. Drenched. absolutely drenched. Oh my gosh. It is definitely time for me to purchase a new waterproof at some point. Notice no rain droplets on the arm. That's because my coat has just absorbed the rain. So, rather damp. I think that's a good word right now. Rather damp. Ellen's coat's done a much better job.
Still not great.
Still not great, but a better job. Unfortunately, I think I've missed the Black Friday sales now, so. But we are going to Australia, so I probably won't need one there. Hope not. So we have now finished the Milford Sound cruise. Ellen, I'm going to come over to you for your thoughts. Talk to the people. You have to take it because I need to drive.
It was very good, very nice. Lots to see, lots of waterfalls. However, it was soaking wet. We were soaking wet. It was dripping.
It was.
We were dripping. It was raining. That would be my only criticism.
Yes, should have.
It was nice.
Yeah, should have perhaps packed better waterproof coats.
Yes.
And the only other downside was you couldn't really see the views from the inside, so you really did have to stand outside.
Yeah, so you had to stand outside and get soaked. So my clothes are soaked. We're all a bit wet, aren't we? But
yes,
I'm glad we did it. It was a good experience.
Yes,
a good thing to do.
And the drive's also very lovely.
Yeah, so. And the drive is nice. That's so true. Are we going to make these lights?
Come on, fingers crossed.
Oh.
Okay, we're through now.
Yay, we're through. Yeah, like look. That is very nice.
Would you do it again?
Oh, it's a bit close. I would do it again, yeah. It definitely would be better if it wasn't as wet.
Yeah, it'd be nice to see it on a clear day.
Yeah. And after a while it did get a bit boring, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we did start looking at our phones in the last half an hour.
It was just because you just got soaked outside, so we just sat inside, and like you said, you couldn't really see much from inside, but it was still good. Glad we did it.
Yes, definitely.
Ticked that off, and it's it's an all day thing. Like we left at what, 8?
Left at 8 a.m.
And we'll be back at 3. So.
Yes, that's if we don't stop off. We might stop off. So.
Yeah. So long day, but fun.
But fun. So rating. I'm gonna say
7.
7. Yeah. Agreed. Good. I think it could be higher on a better day.
Agreed. And there wasn't much commentary. Oh, we saw seals too.
Oh yeah, we did see the slug seals.
The slug seals.
But there wasn't too much information.
Yeah, it was more just, wow, look at the scenery, which was amazing, but...
A few more facts would have been appreciated.
Yeah, but it was nice. So, 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. So we're making a quick stop off at these falls / river / waterfall / cool site. Look at that. Oh yeah, give us a pose, drag me a pose. Woo! We have made it. We've made it to the waterfall. Whoa! Oh shit, boy. Vlog. So Ellen has made an improved breakfast. We've been on the yogurt and fruit, but today we've got pancakes, Nutella, yogurt and fruit. And Ellen, how's it been?
Great.
Oh, I'm going to dig in now, I can't wait. So we've got another episode of Where Have We Been Sleeping for the Past Few Days, and we are in Te Anau, and this is what we've been dealing with for the past couple of days. So this is a little studio. There's no actual cooking facilities apart from a microwave, which has been a bit annoying, but large bedroom area with fridge, microwave, TV, all that good stuff, and then a balcony which we've not actually been onto because it's been raining non-stop since we've been here. Then go through ensuite, little storage cupboard. But we're heading off now to Manapori for our last night in New Zealand. It's very sad, but it's been very good, so we've enjoyed it. So we are back in Te Anau. We went to Manapori. Fortunately, there's not a lot to do, if anything, actually. Thankfully, it was only a 15-minute drive, so we've driven back to Te Anau. We're going to grab a coffee, read our books, have a chill for the next 2 hours or so, and then we'll head over to the Econ, which is off-grid. So that's going to be fun, bit of an experience.
So can we? There's no service then either.
No, there'll be service. It's won't be any electricity. Well, hopefully there's service.
Might not, because it's in the middle of nowhere.
Well, that's the plan of action for today. We're on our walk, just to kill another hour before we can actually check in, and we might be lucky enough to see the seaplane take off. It looks like he is about to set sail. So we'll have to, should we watch?
Yeah.
To watch. Oh, there he is. It's just gone in the air. Yay! Parkour! Moo!
He's coming for you.
Why have you ran off? He's not. He's lovely. Look at him. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, Mr. Gooseman. Moo. So we're back at it with our final stop of the New Zealand tour, and we're at a little off-grid lodge. Tui Lodge, to be more precise. There's 5 on this site, and that is our view. As I said, it is off-grid, so we've not got any power in the cabin. We have got electric in a place down the road, about 20 minute walk away. But I'll show you around. So we've got this outdoor area, and then we're going to go into the studio inside. Now, I must say, we didn't realise it was going to be this off-grid. We didn't read the description, but it's our last night. We're just going to relax. We've got loads of food to eat that doesn't need cooking, so that's good. So we come in. Got the bed, high ceilings. Got the seating area, little kitchen. But I mean, we're really here just to relax and look at the views, so it's going to be perfect for what we want. So I was under the impression this place has some hot tubs.
Oh, it's that.
They're quite literally tubs. And they wanted $30 each to go in them. No thank you. But it's a nice view, to be fair.
That is pretty cool.
But I think we'll pass. Oh well, anyway. We are off to the shop because we've not got any tea or coffee, and it's quite cold, so we want to have something to warm us up, and the only way to actually have said tea or coffee is to use a gas stove to heat up the kettle, And then we've also got a log burner, which is our only form of heating, so we're going to have to use that as well to heat the premises.
Llamas are another metre taller again. Oh, sorry, I should have explained. When we're in amongst them, if you want me to take photos, just lend me your cell phone. I'll take family photos or whatever you want.
Okay, super, thank
So
you.
come on in. This is Pop-Tart. She's our matriarch. Hello, Viking Princess. How are you?
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Mate.
Calm down, girls. Calm down. It's alright.
This is so cool.
This girl here, Pop-Tart, you're nothing like that. Whatever you do. Just like when you're in school, when you have boy and girlfriends that you're mates with, you're like sheep. So they're quite used to living in Patagonia at -60 degrees.
Mate, you are so greedy. This one here.
So we have to trim their toenails probably every 6 months or so. They have 2 soft pads. Oh. Hey, calm down you two. Hey. Just chill out. Hey.
Come on, llama. I mean, alpaca.
Slowly.
Hell of a snort there, big man.
So we did our shearing last Tuesday, and Mike, he comes shearing all over New Zealand, then he travels to Europe and goes and does alpaca shearing in Europe. They're not like sheep, so you can't have.
Okay, come on team, back up. Oh my gosh, it's a little bit. That was so cool. How cool was that?
It's so cool.
But you can hear them, they're having a good conversation.
Yeah. I feel like they're amazing. Gonna buy myself some socks. Oh, can't wait. So Ellen's in charge of making tea. I've just lit the gas hob and now I've got the pleasure of lighting the fire. So fingers crossed. Pray for us.
Have you got kindling? Is that outside?
I think so. We'll see how this goes. Manly jobs are being done. So I've just got the kindling and the paper in there, cleaned out the ash, and now we're gonna give this a go. Wish me luck. I don't have much faith in myself, to be honest. Mission successful. Last meal, well, last dinner in New Zealand, and it's almost gone, but we got leftover focaccia, salad, tasty, and a series by the fire. I might have done too much of a good job. The fire is raging to the point where we've actually had to now open a window because it's that warm in here. the issue is it's 7 o'clock, so we need to keep the fire going until like closer to 10 when it gets really cold. But I'm sweating. Ellen's snug as a bug in a rug. Snug as a bug in a rug. But I'm as hot as a llama in the Sahara, I suppose.
I don't think that's the same.
No. But anyway, if we do get cold, make sure I put my alpaca socks on. 15 British pounds for some full-size socks when we get to Utah, and I might need to keep my toesies warm. It's going to do a good job. So hot, like unbelievable. So we are here in the communal showers, bathroom, etc. So I'm going to give you a quick shower, toilet. And we've got a little communal laundry area with a fridge. So that's in there. There's a car park and that's the view. And that is us done. We are now leaving New Zealand. Ellen's sweeping the floor. But yeah, we've thoroughly enjoyed it. We now need to go and catch a flight over to Sydney. Don't think the plane's going to be quite as nice as the one we came to New Zealand on, but it's only 3 hours, so it'll be okay. So I just blessed Ellen with the song Hi Ren by Ren. And what were your thoughts?
I can appreciate the meaning behind it, but it was not for me.
Not for her. Some of you may have heard it. Worth a listen. I quite like it. Well, I like the first half and then it gets on a bit.
It's clever how he does it with his words, but I wouldn't choose to listen to that, I don't think.
No.
Preference.
Yeah, it's not in my playlist rotation, it's just an every now and again listen.
Fair.
Yes. Bye bye, Suzuki. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know.
Welcome aboard. Power banks can't be used on board and should not